Now remember, that fee you are paying to Ghana Embassy, inside that fee, a Ghana travel consult for a share for dispatch. And a Ghana Embassy just $100. That is what Okujato Ablakwa was saying. But what this woman was trying to say, then they say any day, Sikebianko baby, if we say at the end of the day, what happens? And they say visas, any passport application, if I in what we do is say your contract and you'll be assigned. It is $200 they charge here. Omukota near the momo, interview we get nothing. That company now, friend, Ghana Travel Consultant, unim year set up company, I think 2019. This is a story I want us to talk about. Very, very important to me. And it is about a Ghana Embassy Asiedu AC. It's exactly 9:35. Maybe a story, no. Maybe I may be a phone lines, no. Now for you, Mami we atra ocha. This woman, your friend, Halima Mahama. Na ono na ambassador under Ekufuado ene Bawumia ewo Washington DC. Kronoa and ye detected ewo Ghana Embassy Washington DC no. Sa krono ni nyina happening under this woman's leadership. She was the ambassador. And I can tell you on authority, Mami we 6 months to the elections, 2024 elections, no, she deserted the embassy and left for Ghana. 6 months to elections. This woman left the embassy and went to Ghana. Mumbusan said 6 months to election. Then Oja embassy in Ghana. She left. And Asama Besi Abaya Sasa and the Foreign Affairs Minister Okujato Ablakwa about Ghana Embassy, Washington DC, abeye investigations, who say Abranti be a friend Fred Kwating, na oye in charge of visa, any IT in nyoma, oye in charge of visa, no. Omu di jume bi oha na eye krono. In fact, ushemwa na afibiano. Sa Abranti no enya $1.8 million. Omu kekani nyina boma something around $4.6 million there. Na sa sikani nyina efa di pabinsem e Ghana Embassy. Abra Embassy no enya a dime in film. It end this aban no ena the honorable minister of the honorable minister of foreign affairs Okujato Ablakwa be investigations into the matter. Now after investigations in the who say nipa bia no mo yedwuma Ghana Embassy no omo kreti omankasa edien omankasa way to make money out of the embassy. Inti Okujato Ablakwa eko parliament edina no asem eko tudwa ewo dwuma esi ewo Ghana Embassy Washington DC. Na ende no mami wei enso abe grant interview oko Joy News. Emma akwa grant interview ewo in response to the foreign affairs minister no aka. Now before mebo mami wei interview no me pese me bo Okujato Ablakwa the foreign affairs minister the Okano parliamentar the former ambassador under her leadership no sa krono ni nyina koso.
Mr. Speaker, investigations conducted by the top management of our ministry reveals that GTC dispatched between 150 to 350 visas and passports daily. Therefore, on average, about 250 visas and passports were dispatched daily by GTC. Right, Honourable Speaker, this implies that yearly GTC dispatched approximately 62,500 visas and passports. Mr. Fred Kwating was therefore raking an estimated $1,859,375 United States dollars annually for courier services alone. Mr. Speaker, you can comprehend the substantial sum he earns annually after adding fees for assisting applicants in completing their visa and passport forms, for which he charged between $60 and $100. By conservative analysis, Mr. Fred Kwating made about $4.8 million annually from his unlawful enterprise. Mr. Speaker, it is important to emphasize that there was no share There was no revenue sharing arrangement with the ministry. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs had no share. This $4.8 million was controlled totally by Mr. Fred Kwarteng. The Speaker, investigations conducted by the...
All right, peace at for Mama Minjum. A minister na Okuja to Ablakwa Ekasano or say, and this are buying about power no more margin say. Omo ebe hwehwe nsema ekoso ewo embassy wo wiase nyina ye Ghana for embassy de ekoso na bibia omo start here in America omo ba Washington DC amete omo here investigations na omo investigations omo behu say eye abrante friend Mr. Fred Kwarteng we di drum na omo hwe de ekoso after ehwehwemu no eye in a day no sa embassy no normal process visas about 150 to 350 daily every day. Visas are not a far embassy in Semuno. Now, some of you no, Omu say a year courier services bia na omu use no. You got the courier services are omwa just a post office, different kinds of dispatch services. Into Bua, your friend Kevin Taylor and Sons Dispatch. Almost omu you to say post office ya private. Almost to me by Jinyoma, normal ship amount. Almost from courier services and there oba different types or a year we are say. Now say, a year, dear see and say, courier services no kwa na omune Ghana embassy ye jumano. Omunya $1.8 million. Na Mr. Fred Kwarteng we any lead sa deal no. Now or say, enya no kwa so omudi fees kwa sa keka additional services, and mark this word very well. Additional services, meaning the visa the application money and our fees no ewo. Some way be for additional services. And two minister here, Odinka State say visa process no, to make $1.8 million a year. Now say sa courier services no through Mr. Kwarteng no, additional services are to me somewhere around 4.6 million a year. And additional services no, it to me ranging from maybe to say $60 to $100. And here additional services. When we get there, we explain the additional services to you. Inti all kasani nyina no Ghana for so tiase say eye under NPP no sa sika oboboso nyina no the ministry na sebio the embassy esho masino the ministry did not make a cent out of all this. Sa $1.8 million to Kwarteng and in the deals no additional service account could do 4.6 million and over dollars now. Or say the ministry foreign affairs ministry no krata bia niwa say they made a dollar out of $4.6 million a far Ghana embassy mu. So that was the statement from the honorable minister. Now, and the former ambassador na sa nyoma we nyina e fa ninsem. Ono na ye leader, the president of the embassy. Ono na technically ye tnas near briefing every morning. IT department, account department, audit department. Every month, ono na eba president Kufuado ho eba chen say ejuma ye dini emfaso ye nyani. She was the ambassador of the embassy. Bibia ni wa ebe free embassy wa onim ho hwe. So $1 free or $1 free or passport free wa. She has to sign every visa. And I say every document that leaves the embassy, no, she needs to be aware because she is the representative. Enti under NPP no naturally Oyoko Botwe and Minister of Foreign Affairs. And na mami we your friend no Halima Mahama, this woman. Or no ambassador na over Washington DC. Afi what you say. And my minister decided say obe responde and obe grantee interview ewo cocaine media Joy News. Na nekasa emu no momo yanko tie my minister response to Okuja to Ablakwa biwia na machire mo ade bi. This is the woman's response.
You've been accused of conniving with the ex-embassy staff to defraud the state. Is that the case?
Well, I'm not sure he has exactly said that. I want to be fair to him. He has not exactly said that. But he did indicate in Parliament yesterday that I signed a contract with a Ghana travel consult, and it sought to legitimize palpable wrong. Those were his quotations. This conversation has been going on, but I've been in this game long, so I wasn't worried about it. But now that he's brought my name up in Parliament, it is time that I also speak up to it. And the part that you just played is so incorrect. We signed a contract with Friends Company. The company is called Ghana Travel Company. And we allowed the company to provide services to applicants, visa and passport applicants, by dispatching their passports to them. So it's like a courier service. And the contract is clear. I sent it to Joy FM to look at. That was the rule. And for him to also take full responsibility for any undeliverable package. We stated clearly in the contract that the company will not receive any payment. And Ghana Embassy is indemnified. We don't take any, he takes responsibility for any losses or any misapplication. That was clear on the contract. So I gave that contract just to make clear that this is our position. He's been doing that. He's been mailing for the embassies since 2019. I observed the 2019, 2023. I said, look, where is the formal document? It's better to have a formal document so that when there is a problem, they don't hold Ghana responsible.
But let's look at the magnitude of this scandal. Ablakwa is claiming some 4.8 million Ghana cedis was lost annually. This happened at a time when you were in office. Are you saying this happened on your blind side? Is that the case? You were not aware of this?
I think it is his imagination, and I don't know how he calculated it. One, Ghana government does not engage in courier service. We don't take funds for it. We are not in that business. We don't engage courier service. We don't do courier services. We don't. So if we give a contract to somebody to engage in courier services, it's not as if we are taking the work that Ghana government should have done and given to somebody. Ghana embassy should have done and given to somebody. So it is false. So Ghana government does not provide courier service, and Ghana government does not benefit financially from any courier service. So he took the courier service and he engages the various companies, FedEx, UPS, and comes to terms with them about payment. As his company, he did engage, and they gave me a flat rate for every country, for every state, even from California to DC, 29.75 as he indicated. Whatever he gets, I don't go to look at it because it's not Ghana's government business.
Away from the courier services, let's look at the allegations that he diverted funds meant for the state when it comes to visa application processes.
Under my watch, there was no such thing. How can you divert? Listen, when you apply for visa, you pay online. We don't receive cash. We don't receive check. So you pay online and it goes direct to Ghana, to the embassy's account for the visas. We have an account for that. It goes direct to that account. And the merchant services in this account will work on it and then post all the money into the Ghana account. So he has no access to our account. Oh. And we have auditors coming to check every year in Ghana. And no auditor has told us that there's any money diverted. But I'm saying, he says he wants to do an investigation. Let him do. And let's all hold him to the report of the investigation. It is not possible. The only money that he has access to is the money that is paid for the courier service. And that courier service, the embassy is not our work. We do not provide courier service. So whatever he's paid for, it is his money. For example, Ghana free education, free HS. We provide free HS. But government does not provide money for transportation of the child to the school. So you cannot say the money that the parents provided for transportation of the school is money that should have been government.
But the Foreign Affairs Minister is alleging that the system that you just outlined has been compromised. The reason why he had access to funds made for the state being diverted to his personal company. Are you open to an external audit?
I'm saying that every year, Auditor General Department comes to the embassy to audit. They don't joke with the U.S. embassy because it's a big embassy. So you can ask the auditors every year when they come to audit. And the Ministry of Foreign Staff, they come with the auditors. They come to audit every year. I'm saying we don't receive cash in any way. And he had no way. Control and accountant department, they have senior accountants managing the account in Washington on permanent term. They post them there. 2 senior accountants managing the account. Control and accountant general will not even allow them to divert any money. And every time, and US, you cannot just come and siphon money. He would have been, I mean, you cannot just come and siphon money from any Ghana account. It's not possible. But I'm saying, he says he's going to conduct investigation. Let him do the investigation. And I want us to hold him to it so that people don't just come and say anything. Then after some months, it just goes on. He must do the investigation and come out with a report.
I appreciate your time.
So this is the ambassador na owo. I say, utieni kasema PZ for otufo ntira me yewe nka menye. Otufo se tutunti and omaka brofu say ya na mabetena ha na medwudwam. Okasa na osi o. De eye ensema okudwato Ablakwa ka no oboa. Onna na ambassador. In fact, omuni company be a friend Ghana Travel Consults and na ye dwuma. Tie. Na okasa na osi Ghana Travel Consults no a company a ewo Washington DC. Na omu dwuma de anyom ye nyina ne say omu no omu ye dispatch of passports. Passport dispatch. Enti so be emailing the passport in the Embas wa. Sa Ghana travel consult for no. Omu na at the end of the day say Embas in the dwuma wi ye the passport in omu. Ye de mo a ne aka chom say address ka ho mu mailing fan kwa address no. Tie. Enti omu ne sa anko for na sign contract. Edi so kuja to Ablakwa ka say Fred Kwatin ne Embas for bi ewie sika. Adenti na onte ase efri say one omu ne company no sign contract no. Omo ma company ne etiase contract ni mu say se bibia have passport na omo handi over passport ni masa company na omo de visa ni tare mu wie na omo ye bibia na omo tam masa Ghana Travel Consult ni wie na yira omo embassy no omo ndi for obi antum be hold omo account for a misplaced passport de ma me ne kan obrofo no o say contract omo ne Ghana Travel Consult for signing and say so the passport no ebe ka omonsa se Kevin Taylor mailing the passport eba embassy wo na se be ka omonsa na omonsa ka den sika na wo se odeka ho ba no na Kevin Taylor tua no online na passport ne be ka omonsa na omonsa sika no Kevin Taylor tua no online na se de visa ni bomu a sa visa no de abomu awie no so handi over passport no any data we be our passport no edema Ghana Travel Consult for ni wie na se sa passport ne koyira e Ghana Travel Consult for nsema ono under her no omo ni ultimate hold you accountable. That is what she said clearly. Emma also say now okole nim no or say Ghana government, there is no way a Ghana government, meaning the Ghana embassy in Washington DC, there's no way they do courier omo maili bibia. Omo they don't mail anything. Omo they don't deal in passport abeka yensa ne asa mail dia come nipa no omo nye na omo third party omo no sign contract aka che sa company ni say modwuma nyina ne say passport ne ba ne ye hu adwuma wi a ye de mamoa na mo de mail ko. It is a passport ne koyira ewo Ghana Travel Consult for nsema you cannot hold the Ghana embassy under her no accountable. Now na journalist Ribusane say okuja to Ablakwa ka say sa process no sa particular process no enema Fred Kwatin and the colleagues bi ho enye sika efri say omo the extra services bi kan ho a na the embassy no they should have known say contract na omo ne sa company ne sign here no it was just to dispatch ba ma me ne kasa no osi on de Fred Kwatin baby onya ni sika ne say embassy ne ye na dwuma wie na se passport require bia ehona na Fred Kwatin nya ni sika. Now I want to ask, say me Ghana ni na me trust in Ghana government, I have trust in the DC office. Na me maili me call Ghana website, Ghana embassy website ni e ka kire me say me pe visa ko Ghana na me pe 1 year visa you be charge me $150. Now $150 no one me angasa na me email di aba into I will take the cost. Secondly, I am paying for the visa fee And after that, I'll pay for you to send the passport to me. It is our charge in Ghana Embassy. Emma Wuchian online. No? It includes the courier, the dispatch, the return service. It is a material 150. More mainly passport in the back to me. Ohio, no. Sa 150 no. Sa can eshemu. Now this is the case, sir. Maamina na handle embassy ni kachire say. Omoni company be sign contracts. Na company no. Your friend Ghana Travel Consult. Na sa company na omutia sa sikane de ma omo. It is a bia. I'm just saying it. So Ghana Embassy you $200 for visa as visa fee. Sa $200 no ebia na emu $50 no ekọ edien Ghana Travel Consult ho because so omo yom adwuma nyina ewia na omo de ma omo a omo de $50 no e de be mail di abrew. Now I want to ask you, Ghana for amwo America mu mail mu passport e de koma Ghana Embassy. Do you know about any third party? So when him say Ghana Embassy they will passport to koma company bia. So o mailing brewa. Now what's America and count the passport my Ghana Embassy? That is the first question you need to ask. Because sir company na any Ghana Embassy ye jumano, I don't know them. When I mail my passport to Ghana Embassy, a Ghana Embassy I am going to hold accountable because the only address I mailed my passport to is the Ghana Embassy. Whatever contract the Ghana Embassy they have, whichever company I may echo, I don't care. But the woman was saying, say, almost sign a contract be with some company into passport neba na omo visa ni wie na omo de passport ni masa company na say o passport ni yira. You cannot hold them accountable. That means this is quite dangerous. Now Mukai 2019 I took it upon myself and I'm a fresh Ghana Travel Consult company we Mukai 2019 Mameka be on authority Ghana Travel Consult and your company bia e wo bia e maami bi ene ni kunu dia they are linked to Fred Kwating sa maame no passport no free Ghana Embassy na eguni dem that Ghana Travel Consult any office you can walk to and say there's a receptionist Washington DC they don't. That Ghana Travel Consult no obi fia Maryland. Mukai say me friend maame no 2019 and I pretend they say me so me pe visa na me call Ghana Embassy website no so no ono company number and I'm leading komo maame ni me din komo no oka kire me say they just don't do dispatch of passport, they do other services. So per se o apply for visa kura na se unhu so a uko website na unhu so a ubetumi amomu sika $60 they will guide you. Now, listen to this conversation. This is 2019. Ghana Travel Consult, Maamino Onanoni. I called her personally. And this is 2019.
Okay. With all due respect, is it okay if I say tree because I'm not getting there?
Me ba try. Okay. Inti, dia me person me can say me visa no na me ban no be kwaja me, but me ye me ban de me san kan and miss me person me yam de intimi hu sibia but obi na the number we ma me say me friend bas na sem kwa o mo be tuma kire me process because me ko internet no so am entias me hu de sibia.
Okay, you why your ban de about sankan
ai
o ban the last name there
Pepra
PEPRA
ye na ye last week yana me ye mele
PEPRA.
Yes.
Pepra. But all bad with you.
22.
Oh, just when you're not allowed. Okay. Is it Michelle?
Dabi.
What first name is it?
Your friend Michelle.
Your friend is saying your first name.
Francisca Pepra.
Francisca. Okay. Now when Bailey are going back, what they call New York, and I say what they call Washington.
If you're Washington, you're in Ohio.
Peprano ye PEPRAH.
Yes, me patron AH.
1P, okay. And already visa me boy.
Yes.
Okay. I think there be a form crowd will fill it, crowd one fill it form, no one fill it correct form.
Madam, me sure pa. Nti ama my me sure say ade man nyɛ de me sure say bia. Oko website ni so a directions no ye eyi kakra. So nti esa na.
Ne bia one correct you call GhanaEmbassyDC.org. It's very simple. Maybe a form me filling and I to ne kakra me tiasie but say we located the right application form the area is very friendly.
Minti be patcho mo de mo embassy na me wo kase free nti mo na ebaba mo ho direct on.
Ni ye dispatch ye Ghana embassy omo no mo ye visa no adwuma. Omo wia na ye dis ye media bramo. Okay. No me fill it the one fill it the right form. Then I call it 2 years you can online me boy.
Na say me the ba ho direct me took me the back to director omuntumi nyama me.
Embassy phone crowd omuntie what some crowd ba they are not allowing people into the embassy and they are out to cry. They are me person me can say. As I say it to me locate usu meli no that been last week
Tuesday. Aye.
And now Montaka.
Inti mi nim enna ama mi Ghana Embassy enye Washington DC dia na ho na ayi asemo
o address na bia meliko en what
I think say also me ma me bana or me sa mo be pon time ben
they will happen 5 o'clock
na anko no be chichire mi ye ho inti me de dia me twan inti me de no me twan no no ba no kasa inti
na ya hwe de bit me
inti mo de mo na mo ye yi keke Embas ni wi de ma mo na mo de
ascend the document support se bia te se wo de ya ho chire wi ni ade ye bit me aje wo de so ba de na ya ma
okay
bit me aye on your behalf ye fee $60 ye $60 na ya ma
okay and here pose me ha me ho akọ Embas o metumi no daily direct na ma wait am sure I don't need Embas for me emba we enso de hair kakra o
COVID ne ba ye nti o ma se bibia
o COVID-19
na Embas is crowd bia ko Embas bia
na se zan kan ko so mo bia o mo wie kura nka mo kura mo office on che na nka be gina o mo ho direct na kura mpo ye nka mo main room anka bia mo kura mo office o ha na nka ba ho na
this office be na ko nya office o this this ko nya office o
okay mate evacho me da sepa inti me ban ba mema ono so mema ye be frɛ na mboa bi amru bi amri aboy
mate
me da sepa
okay me da sepa.
This was in 2019. My friend Ghana Travel Consult 2019. And mami way passport no gunifie. The passport no egunifie. All the okay. Or say omo de dispatch Ghana Embassy via near the amomo no mo meli abrew. Halima Mahama kasan say omo ni sa company way assign a contract. So passport yira o munsema they have nothing to do with it. Maamene kasano or say what we call document support. Into dispatch they also do document support. Into what happens and say there are a lot of illiterates. Nipa bebre kwa munye illiterate. Oko Ghana Embassy wa omo website you can't navigate. It is so complicated. Into omo is so complex to say you will be forced to call a Ghana Travel Consult to say me friend embassy because the embassy ufrobianfa. No matter the number of times away from Bianfa. So you'll be forced to call Ghana Travel Consult because omudin wa website na so. Now when you call them, they will tell you say omuye other services can passport and visa applications. omo betuma aboa omo boa omo beje $60. Now this is what they do. Omo beje $60 no. Na omo fill forms ni nyina ma wo. Na omo sa de sa nyoma na sa kwa embassy wo. Na at the end of the day no, omo sa charge embassy no to process the visa. Omo wi na omo sa charge Emilia bro. So they are paid double. They are paid for what we call document support, and they are also paid for dispatch. And I'm asking Halima, say, contract no money Ghana Travel Consult signing, you know. Now, was it for only dispatch, or there were other things Ghana Travel Consult were also providing, or other services? Because the Ghana Travel Consult, you know, minimum America sana, make sure and say, and the Muslim be mo office. Ewo Ghana Embassy in chain. Na ya bakwa ne ntuma kwa embassy wa ne aba mo hono maboa ya say Washington DC. Ona me hekonye sika eko rent office. I can tell you this maami we ne office ni fie ewo Maryland. Into majority of Ghanaians ana mo ye dede 2019, 2021, 22. Na mo passport ni ya na go bi dem. Now, let me show you how they made the money. The way Akwawe ebu Ghana for is simple. Now they have the website there. It's website na ebohono. Uko website na so 99% of mini animal Bronx omuntumi and navigate. Omun hu baby omun ko. Say visa application o, say passport application o, Massachusetts for omuntumi nye. 90% of the people living at Massachusetts omuntumi nye. 90% of people living in the Bronx omuntumi nye. So what they do is say there are people at the embassy. Oh, from one of my catchers. Oh, one number na was no. The number we na free. Wow. And that number is a number a Ghana Travel Consult for number. Now per my mini statement, no Ghana Travel Consult for no. Mawaba. No ma ju data ni na no ma fili bibi amount. No ma ju $60. Ria. Say go and submit. Now submit here. That means you are going to pay Ghana Embassy fee, no? That is passport fee or visa fee. Now remember, that fee you are paying to Ghana Embassy, no? Inside that fee, no, a Ghana Travel Consult for a share for dispatch. It is technically what you're $60. Now utia $150 at the Ghana Embassy. Ghana Embassy automatically they have to pay the same company now of Philippe Padma $50 for them to mail it to you. Into $110. And a Ghana Embassy in just $100. That is what Okujato Ablakwa was saying. But what this woman was trying to say, then they say any day, Sikebianko baby, if we say at the end of the day, what happens? And they say visas, any passport application, if I in $70, what we do is say your contract and you'll be assigned. It is a $200 near charge here. Omukota near the momo, into we get nothing. That company now, friend Ghana Travel Consult, no, unim year yes set up company, I think 2019. So Jena Okujato Ablakwa can all see. Sa 1.8 million echo other charges back on Michael do 4.8 no. In this Okujato Ablakwa say other charges are. Okujato Ablakwa was looking at those other charges that document support na sa company ni account because Ghanaians were paying other charges. Document support. Who were they paying to? They were paying to Ghana Travel Consult. Now, even though that money does not go through the main bank account of Ghana Embassy, no, that money is still being paid to a company that has a contract to Ghana Embassy. And that company is again paid by Ghana Embassy for their services. So the company is paid twice. Why, dear? I will show you who owns the company. Okujato Ablakwa is right. What he's saying is the truth. Mamiwe is lying. The woman I spoke to on Ghana Travel Consult, interestingly, Ghana Embassy, you could have contracted USPS. You could have contracted FedEx. You could have contracted UPS. At the time, I will contract Ghana Travel Consult for them to also contract UPS. Why do you do that? Because the Ghana Travel Consult, they should come and tell us with your office for experience where they have worked, track record. They have nothing. All that they do is they set up that company to be diverting Ghana passports to somebody's home and be taking free money into they will look at the passport na bano. No, they share envelope him. No, they post of no post the amount. So they created a whole idea, a draining, almost creative, because a bypass, whereby they will make money from the monies that were going through the embassy. It almost creates Ghana Travel Consult way as a bypass. So you can say legal, but it's illegal because only Ghana Travel Consult for Delia. I don't think Ghana Travel Consult they are effective than UPS. I don't think Ghana Travel Consult they are effective than USPS. I don't think Ghana Travel Consult they are effective than FedEx. So why do you sign a contract with Ghana Travel and Tours, Ghana Travel Consult, and then tell Ghana Travel Consult to go and find another courier service to deal with, to send the package? Why don't you do it directly? It is a gold for oil. We could have gone to America. We could have gone to the world market to sell our gold. And so NPP banker said, no, they are going to go through a middleman to take the gold to Dubai to go sell, for the middleman to take their cut to bring the gold, the oil back to Ghana. That is the same thing. It's a embassy. It's a gold for oil. It was gold for oil now. You tam Ghana gold now. Near the a middle person. Now middle person no I den. The gold na could Dubai. No a cotton or market and so. We are no attend the share. And some of the oil no the abre. A branca Ghana government could have sold the gold directly to Dubai or directly to the UK market. But what they did was they created that bypass. It's Alima. So we tell you from the beginning, he made you understand. Say, Ghana Travel Consult. We know they were even working with UPS, FedEx. They have a contract. You are not supposed to give people's passports, their data, to a company that does not even have an office. Listen to this woman again.
Okay.
You've been accused of conniving with the ex-embassy staff to defraud the state. Is that the case?
Well, I'm not sure he has exactly said that. I want to be fair to him. He has not exactly said that, but he did indicate in Parliament yesterday that I signed a contract with Ghana Travel Consult, and it sought to legitimize palpable wrong. Those were his quotations. This conversation has been going on. He's been up, but I've been in this game long, so I wasn't worried about it. But now that he's brought my name up in Parliament, it is time that I also speak up to it. And the part that you just played is so incorrect. We signed a contract with Friends Company. The company is called Ghana Travel Company. And we allowed the company to provide services to applicants, visa and passport applicants, by dispatching their passports to them. So it's like a courier service. And the contract is clear. I sent it to Joy FM to look at. That was the rule. And for him to also take full responsibility for any undeliverable package. We stated clearly in the contract that the company will not receive any payment. And Ghana Embassy is indemnified. We don't take any, he takes responsibility for any losses or any misapplication. That was clear on the contract. So
how can you sign a contract as an embassy? What did your kind or say that company is responsible for any undeliverable package? It's almost visa na e pia o passport de Ghana Travel Consulta. Eyra inform ho. Contractor omone sa company ni sign here. The company does not even have an office. And when she was speaking, she was emphatic. Or say the job of the company, sign a contract, it was for visa and passport application dispatch. That's it. It was for visa and passport application dispatch. Their job is like a courier service. Their job is to receive the passport and mail. They are mailing through USPS. They are mailing through FedEx. They are mailing through UPS. Why can't you guys have a direct contract with FedEx, UPS, USPS for them to mail it, pick it from Ghana Embassy and just mail it directly for you? But they decided to go through this company called Ghana Travel Consult. And contract from signing and so passport you cannot take the Ghana Embassy to court. Inti na okuja to Ablakwa say it's not Ghana Embassy. Na say visa and as a passport application obi send the bar near $200. What happens and then say they have a chunk of the money sikali bino omo yi dima this Ghana travel consult. Remember, every week biano omo process between 100 and 350 passports in a week. Unim sika sanko fone wi a. Okudia to Ablakwa kasan or say in a week they process somewhere between 100 to 350 passports every 7 days, 5 days. Now, sa company no. The question here is, couldn't you have signed a contract with USPS that is well known, American verified? No, because they want to create that bypass. It is our 1.8 million. The 1.8 million straight to the embassy account. Remember, so we have $200 for visa application or passport application. Sa $200 na eba Ghana embassy. What happens in they say so mo prepare bibia ma wia na mo ti omo dia na omo yisa sika ni bi e dia ma den e dia ma eye Ghana travel consult for nom de Emilia bro. Now the reason why sika could do 4.8 in they say sa extra work na no mo ya na omo frɛ no document support no na Ghana travel consult are not supposed to do no say Ablakwa e factor sa ni nyina ka ho a. That is how the money jumps to 4.8 million. So how can you tell me, say, now we are ambassador and that there was no cost incurred? Because incurred, at the end of the day, the extra, and I say, what we call document support, Nana Omu provided, it wasn't part of the contract. For them, Obi, nobody can just walk around and come give Kevin Taylor, Loud Silence Media, a passport and say process for me, unless they trust that I work with the US government. For somebody to call, for you to put your number on the Ghana Embassy website, it gives people that confidence to trust you, to come to you to help them to do what? To fill their forms. You have privilege over anybody. So Obijina Bontine, Obijina Ghana Embassy gate so media me to be filema o filema me meji $50. Na say Obika Chira said dabi company be one number no embassy in the website and so the reason why because our company is because at least number no embassy in the website and so you can trust them that say BBC you can go to them but nipana ojina gate no you cannot go to that person and nothing that they got a lot of what we call document support jobs. It's document support jobs was supposed to come to the Ghana embassy but IT guy they made the navigation of the embassy difficult website difficult. Uremwa me my visit Ghana embassy website massa you cannot just go in there and apply for a visa. You the Criss and juma. It is not a joke. And I'm going to open the phone lines for Omo America to call to tell you what has happened. Minimum conform be friend Omo America Omo be chiro baby Omo passport ko nipa also Omo from and san sika also mutua no chain and san Omo come passport. I'm going to open the phone lines after this. You are so live on Loud Silence TV. I think say me phone calls no Ghana for more US. Yenti Omo how this visa thing Sibia Echo. Hello caller.
Yeah, hello, good evening.
Good evening. Okasa free.
Okasa free New York.
New York, me bacho kasa.
Yeah. I just want to talk about the contract. So I'll be Juma of America, you have to report to the IRS, whatever taxes are, on your taxes. Stand out here. I'm not even sure whether it was reported to the IRS. It's always yeah.
You'll look
if
into
you can
that.
look into that one also, yeah.
You'll look into it. All right, thank you very much. All right, hello caller. Hello. All right, let me see. Hello caller. Kasa with you. Hello. Hello. Yes, Kasa with you. New York for Mr. Mo. More Ghana and stay back. More Ghana and stay back. We New York for you to myself. Hello caller. Hey, America for more America. Accessing Ghana.
Hello, Kevin.
Yes, madam. Good evening. Kasa free.
Kevin. Me pastor me Chester California.
Me bacho kasa.
I sama work no e no kwetro do chese. Na me passport we na pese me ko Ghana. Me free ya be 1 week. Obi a mpeke call no. Enti I say na me free me baba ko ka tene say na me frɛ ayɛ no so okay ma wo de ma me kwan kakra na me frɛ madam fu bi ɛna o frɛ madam fu ba ko na o kyerɛ ne sɛ o di man ba ko number man wɔ ɛhɔ embassy hɔ ɛna o sɛ on frɛ no to o frɛ no no enipa ne sɛ me nsa bɛka adeɛ no but ɛsɛ sɛ o tue $250 for passport no nko a enti o tue asɛsika no ɛna o ma o send me old one no ɛma enipa no nti me kwa akɔgye ade na wo se wo wie na me kɔgye no wo de din ni numbers ni ma me ɛna me de kɔ em ko bisa saa man no oye young boy kra na opie bai me kyele ho pa na obi kra amanfo ni abre wo musu wo mata ma so wo ko mu nyom passport nti nipa no ba na maka kyele se me ni passport no so o bra okay ya ye bibia wi odi mi wura ho no so ya wie bibia but wo de ko tina no pa na oba beje anye saa so anye se me meri brew na me se mi so tama o ka sa me mra me do me ni mi se na nti me twam ticket me nti sa ntwen na me sa full plane and buy nti wo se o meli ablame no wo sa Agyapong no $150 o meli no ko a me se me nka se yese nti me so de me hono no na wo kuduru ho so a enya asam ketwa wo nipa ayate se do mu di dwa no te wo nim obi pa wo ho se wo tue sika ma no wo nkyɛn a wo boa wo san ka da wo de ade no bɛkɔ ɛbɛyera wo hu na kyerɛ kwan kra bi ti so wo tua no o margin wo nkyɛn no o ma ya nti passport no nko ko $500
Thank you very much.
Passport
Thank you very much. All right. Hello, caller. Hello. All right, my for call away. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, Okasa free.
Because free Atlanta.
Can story share me meet you.
Yo, yes, so experience I and it's last ending of last 2 years. And my husband passport we 18 year Philip Bibiana edi meli embassy no. Edi meli embassy no lucky no ya dan for baako si onimobi wo ho. Na nipa ko no ade no ko si no so no ya twɛn sa 1 year na your passport no embedu ye nsem ama afedi omusi oma a consulate bi wa ha eti no eno ye ko sign line from anapa ko do enwumre esa another $130 at the end of the day no omusi ya meli ye de no ko di si nti no omunye emayen for the fingerprint eti just my husband san call Maryland. And yes, you until my melody is sick or the my dear, but you could bread the whole day. And I make no call no Kofi or cost stamp or call your fingerprint no. Or your fingerprint by me see ya cha. Why ya papa ya we buy na ya see ya passport the other na my own yes me see God or her friend George. Oh you're so rude. Or fry no it's just said the will see no make kasa no na enye. But nyame adom menya botrema no na passport no abedu yes it took us 1 whole year just to do a passport na gateman no dina embassy ho no de answer no penetrate or through or no answer na wa room crap no so ya asem me so me experience.
Thank you very much. All right, hello caller. Hello caller. Good evening. Okasa friend. Okasa friend.
Make a free Orlando, Florida.
What experience in this in Ghana embassy?
My experience is about 2 years ago. And me start filling forms no mom for visa application here. Now me filling form no na visa. Me merely passport no coil. It take about 2 months to say na in sanka passport no back. Nipa na me man no oye more marines. Until later no me frɛ passport office for Ghana embassy ho na me nsan enka obi ha na me de number no me do mo number ni marine guy no no de number ni the boss oh marine and o frɛ office of Ghana passport ho na Sunday o frɛ Sunday no obi apiki because o mu say color ID ni marine
yeah
nti hwana the boss ni obi kasa no kan say no the employee wa hanum say ni the pastor about 2 months no so ko omo check ya omo check ya na wo the next day Monday na omo meli passport na brand with the visa.
Hey Radin Yankov, may I say thank you very much. All right, so hello caller.
Hello, Kofi.
Auntie
Kofi
Monica,
Afawala.
go ahead.
Yes. I'm a passport to New York. Woman agent, but a passport to New York. And son in New York, what the passport will be DC. I'm the baby, my mitzi. DC, my 45 minutes. No, why, Jim? I had woman 60, 70 of a 50. Passport is almost a month. A chief of what's the passport, me should be in the Dex, Masana. Will mail passports no whatever.
Thank you, Auntie Monica. All right. Hello, caller. Hello. Good
Hello.
evening. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good evening, Kasamitio. All right, we lost this caller. Mami, you're submitting my another caller. Now, I think one Kasamati. This is what is going on. Mami no boy. Mami, we on kind of create. Hello. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm also in how do you call it? Ohio, Columbus.
Mm-hmm.
And last year I went to DC, and that is on the 15th of February last year. They made my passport, and my passport got lost. I called them; they didn't pick my phone. Up to now, and I wanted to go to Ghana. I done everything. I couldn't get them. I don't know what is going on. So it's like right now, my passport is missing. I cannot go to Ghana. So please, if you have any advice, because without my passport, I cannot go to Ghana.
So you are stuck here?
I'm stuck here. I wanted to go to Ghana. I'm stuck here. I don't know. It's like right now, I don't know what to do.
All right, thank you. Hello, caller.
KT.
Yes, sir. Good evening. What's your friend?
Greetings. This is Harrison Cooper, bro.
Go ahead, boss.
Charlie, thanks for picking my call. Oh, KT, our people at the embassy are not serious at all. 2009, I sent my passport to the New York embassy for renewal. I drove there by myself and submitted my passport there, and up to today, I still haven't received my passport.
It's from 2009?
From 2009. And I even paid for a parking in New York. And just, imagine how expensive that was. Okay, beside that, 2023, I was taking my family to Ghana, my two kids and my wife. We all got our visas. My wife sent her passport to the DC embassy. The passport was there for months. And we were left with 2 weeks to go to Ghana. So I was like, what's going on? And then we tried to do some follow-up. And they sent us some tracking number. I work for the U.S. Post Office. I deliver mail myself. I'm working right now as we speak. So I was like, I tried the passport. We didn't get a passport. I even had an issue with my boss because of this passport. And I told the post office that, hey, guys, I work here, but if you guys lost my passport, I'm going to sue the United States Postal Service. Anyway, so we were doing this, and it was, time was running out. So what I did was I called the National Passport Center here in New Hampshire. I called them and I spoke to them and I said, hey, we need a passport. We're going to Ghana. We bought our ticket, everything, and we're leaving in a very short period. So they said, okay, they can get us a passport, expedited one. So we have to pay extra money, which wasn't a problem. So we took care of that. We went to Ghana. We got a visa at the arrival. Could you imagine? We returned from Ghana before they made the passport to my wife.
Like back from the trip?
We back from the trip. We spent 5 weeks in Ghana. We back from the trip around February, March before we received the passport with the visa. But, so it's like, what's going on? The money was gone. I have to go and get a new passport for my wife. We pay extra money. We arrive in Ghana. We have to get different visa So it's
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate this. Thank you. All right. Hello, caller.
Hello, KT.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Me from Minnesota.
Minnesota. I didn't know.
Yeah. Oh, me 2019. That was too quiet. What I did is me call online and I me print it form no. When I renewal of passport and I me print it form no, me fill it form no ye bibia and I me fly straight to DC and I me go submit it. Me call you know the first day I me call you I arrived a little bit late. It wasn't that late. They could have attended to me, but I'm still not late. Oh my mama will cry and I say no problem. I make up a hotel be die. I did see a Friday morning, first thing in the morning I make call. But the person began to say, I don't know so say Omushe anymore. Omushe now only say you're a hard guy, I only then they will just do it for you. Because this is something they could just do, just in some few days. But Omushe now you're a bit ignorant, somebody to be a play war, then they will play you. Because maybe I'm in the system, no, they were Ghana for yet safe all the way from Ghana and I'm beba. And the Omuga na me gidi no omuya ma me take application bia 1 week time papa send me we me passport the bread.
All right, thank you. Hello caller. Hello. All right, my man for caller wait. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes, good evening.
Kevin.
Okay, so free.
Me kasa free tell. Na menim say who can AFN say who free who tie US for no. Ba yen so experience kakra e wa ha no. Plus will be a line nem pese me no yeden. E share bat. Mentumi anya. Ti sisi en se metumi a share media na ma wa. Ye ha no. Problem e woni say who free unya omo. But say your friend is who fill forms no kwa. Date na mo de be ma no. Omo de be de ma all right. And I say omo who consume €50 for and your offense post no and so mood bebro and ye hand the ofra unya but who fill forms no quadia wedding who bet me room so I did omo de be ma no kwa obesomiti omo jin so so omo de bebro fi and ye experience in the so
all right, thank you. All right, hello caller.
Kevin.
Yes, because a friend. Bibia me jinem.
Charlie, you saw that wow. What about the year? But 2019, like before COVID, right? I'm talking about Ghana. I'm not looking at Ghana passport. Jack, and I'm before me home with the family where you call Ghana passport. Me say car oprobia because what's saying? Because one man, so I have to go through an agency or agency. I wanted to be 350. Within 2 weeks,
agency and almost so yeah, Juman on Sakai.
Yeah, agency. I wanted to be 350. I'll turn better air coming a passport. I want to go Ghana. So overall, I pay like over $600
just to get a passport to go home.
I'm trying to come a passport. They me online and I lost that money.
Yeah.
I say just like that.
Right,
but boss. I don't know why I said. Why are they playing your plan?
Why are they and yet or down TV so can cause them? Man. Okay. Hello caller.
Hello senior.
Yes.
Yeah, me person me can because we're from Maryland.
Maryland. Okay.
Yeah.
Maryland, I want to Ghana consult. No, we need be
mini, me come at the DNA, way after COVID, no. After COVID, no, my wife, the person my wife called Ghana, me a citizen on the me yes, me apply for passport now. Me from me say, meet me about in person, application or DC, or must see there be to me, but nobody's allowed in the office. Okay, and I'm so fine to how may and almost say, make online, I'm filling out, me click submit to our website, and you papa. I was also printed. Oh, yeah. Senior, now can say like any mommy will see me telling you they catch them say me printed form there. I feel me yeah. Now me send the choir and then me to a fee no. And I'm into my send it return fee no. Return fee there. I'm like I'll pick it up in DC. Omu yeah na omu frame ya. Say I already na member file. Me say yeah member be file DC. Chinchina shake off one in me argument. 3 calls argument. Almost me to me be Joe office. So oh. And I'm saying, okay, well, and yes, me send you a bill label no. Me try account for label and it was like around $30 and something. Into me try account I'm saying I met track idea baby free back. Could you believe say it was coming from a travel office, B-Wall, Maryland, Gettysburg side?
Man can't show.
And
Gettysburg. Yeah,
that pissed me off.
If you in the office no.
It's me and I'm saying I'm more Jimmy information like more American citizen personal information.
Over corner Google table so I'm on passport. I'm on passport no matter it will be fear the damn. Boss, thank you very much. Yeah. It's crazy. I say can sound NPP for you. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes, okay, sir, friend.
I'm Kasa Usta.
Usta for Monkasa.
Match. Media, I am a wife. Every year, when you're the Ghana, and then that's a vision. Internet said, yeah, express. The express only 200. And you cheer. Basically, you say, Bosume, I didn't say 2 weeks, Bosume, never mind. Now, ye cheer return, the human say, Onya payment, near $30 for return return envelope.
Yeah.
$30. The crickets one I didn't call it. I said, my print out. Said the day the can't forms now, you're filling out printing out near the alcohol. No man who time for your channel, so man, really your brain. Echo, you're another $30. On the second $30, you chair, and now your friends say print out and buy it. You can print it, receipt, and they can't,
First 39.
Actually, what didn't quite. Actually, some way. Okay, so I know. We have print out. And one now KOKA Washington DC. So me body me bound so US on the day. The bus no. Naka 1 week next walk so 2 car no was so better than for 2 months. So 2 car no call from Worcester to Washington DC. Or call the following week in the buy. So I didn't say basa. Imagine 200 say express 2 weeks. So Emma
thank you. Hello caller. Who's that for no? Hello caller. Gigim. Yeah.
Gigim. Keti unim say the only and say Maryland Gettysburg no. There's office Bishop Gettysburg or Frederick Road no so. Hona if I say so ukona say we apply online to upload upload picture. To upload your Ghana card, no more baby Ghana card, upload your Ghana card. To upload the Ghana card, no.
I lock no, and we are locking the job office. You lock up to
for it,
IT guy, no. I want to be aside, no. I lock is aside, no. Aye.
Person could this year. Now, of course, I get this back office on now. Now, I catch you say, and they are $60 now. Bet my support now can amount. Because some they call this bunch with the $60. No, my upload the picture. I didn't Ghana card me for that. I'm say a larger than 5 then.
Yeah, 5 kilobytes, 5 kilowatts. Oh, but was such a batch for generator. Such a batch for generator.
You'll be forced to pay that $50, $60.
Yeah,
because when you
that's it. Thank you. Boss. Aye. O passport today 5 kilowatt. Such a bantam for generator. Hello, caller.
Hello.
There I go. Hello, Casavitio.
Mr. Gavin, good evening.
Good evening.
Where they may call it concern okay about US, but maybe everybody be for Italy there now. One of Fred Siano. He's a compulsive liar. Italy had quite a paso pan and just more. And just recently, and I brother about could be a fight here, my friend Mr. Albert. Oh no, I fight recently. I was Embas and I saw myself behaving kakra. Italian, you can't say Ghana Embassy away Italy had them. In some manner, cost one and small. Muji transformer, be see Embassy honum. Albert Nijim fight my answer. Transformer, yes.
Transformer saying,
I'm going to say Embassy. You can't say pregnancy people, to me bahonum. And you know the consequences towards that.
What do you mean?
Albert Nijim, like the electrical transformer. No, used to edit connecting for higher places. No.
Yeah.
Some time ago, EDBC Embassy on them. Hey, Albert in the gym, your brother Bako, or gym on your 5 years, use idea on them. It's Ghana Embassy weekly idea. Okoha and Yasem Ketua.
But I say,
just recently, Lady B or Honoma, Okohonoma, Oko Applause, Kofa, Unana, Ghana card, bra, Kofa, school certificate, bra. Where's no more fun so bano? A quite audio more fast than yes more.
I bet you muska.
Or more treaty or my papa. I'll bet in age mama recently. And what fire or things are changing now.
Thank you very much.
The Obeka and the Obwa. I'm sure say one of the people in the office. And I said our friend of Professor Clear. Because I'll bet age no more console every time.
Mate, you be your telephone so you be so. Hello caller.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, so friend.
Piao. Hello.
Okay, so friend. Piao matonka. Kasa. Piao matonka. Piao matonka. Piao. Oh, Piao Jinaso. Hello caller. All right, I think this side is choked. Hello caller. This side too is choked. The system is jammed. Ubia Frey. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay. I'm also a Worcester.
Worcester.
Nah.
Worcester. You see, me about your train. You see, America. Mo di ma tempa no mo Worcester. Any Ohio. Mo di ma tem rough.
Oh, I ain't a door.
Okay, Casamitio.
I know we Ghana consulate to Worcester. Them a call from Waddle. It's a echo. Let's a listener. Say express it's 350. Say 3 weeks it's 250. It's 250 for 3 weeks. It's 350 for express. It's all
agency on your consulate be our or agency keke.
We
DC and New York pe only BBA consulate for bia baby or agency be.
Them no back on Worcester. Yeah, investigation.
Worcester info. Remember police for what you want. Worcester info.
Our Park House.
Okay.
Park House. Yeah, Park Avenue. Yeah.
Our Park Avenue. Remember police for what you want. Remember police for what you want. Okay. Thank you very much. All right, Worcester for my police for what you want. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, okay, sir, friend.
Yeah, me cousin friend German.
Germany for the
me person can be kakra fire friend. Me person can be kakra fire friend is German embassy you know. And your more problem bi wo honom o fill forms ni wie na se okoduru honom a se wonka fi kasa na om se unye Ghana ni me so men
kwasi afọ mu go no de omka no na Ghana fo nyina obi ayetwi ni
yeah me fill forms no ko me kwa ko mu ko mi interview aye me passport amami a si ba bi wo honom ma me nana email na me se na me nana email de me nana wawu dada si man hye me nana email wo honom na me bisa woman se na me nana email na wono woto ne nana ewo email me nana wu dada no wu busa me nana email me nana ko fa email wo himfa
where Germany dey no
ewo German German dey no na ba ko no
Germany eva
Berlin no
omo pe wo nana email
Berlin si man feel man hye me nana email ewo na msi na me nana de okofa email wa him me nana de wawu dada na okofa email wa him fa si your friend say ade ba ko si menkatwi ade na menkatwi me Ghana ni na menkatwi na no me Ghana ni na Ghana no mi obi ana titwi me ya wo mi otwi mai mo me ya wo mi on off me firi wa nti on hwe birth set no ba bi o chese o se na se na me si two questions na ba ko ba no so yeah, me nko down no nko ye me passport mami no nko ye me passport no
omo pe ona na email
me so de me wo e kan for German
omo pe ona na email yo mate o de me da say thank you
yo
kwase me koso kwase me koso obi na na email asan my ne pass ne visa man kwase omo ti Berlin ho ye hello caller and Friday hello caller hello yes, sir. Kasamitio.
Mr. Mikasafi, New Jersey.
All right. Go ahead.
At some point, of Washington, on the same thing for New York. So New York, dear. Almost try some correcting, I think, some 5 years, 6 years back. Your friend is saying, Lady B or no, Muyinedi, and our guy being so no from that for your friend of Banfu. Or no, a juma order for them, not or the computer, need laptop, near printer, cooking the bedroom. And all your visits.
What's the guy in your friend is saying?
Banfo.
Oh, New York consulate or
New York consulate.
or the
Or
printer.
say my no.
Or the akwesi.
But next in the bedroom, no, yeah, security ni go inside the house. But to say asam no buy no to say there. Or mama na ko pet down okrum and no ti krum. You see how bad to say what o matter in the position from security to. Don't know the area. I don't know about it. I don't know.
All right, may I say, Ola no Embas. Hello, caller. Hello.
Hello.
Patrick, what's your friend?
Worcester, Massachusetts.
Hey, Worcester for us about. Me Patrick then is Worcester.
So, as I'm okay about consulate now, what happened? It is very true.
And
like
something
has to be really done because it's not nice. And you cry. So it was like I used to quite few weeks ago or something, and then we needed like an express for a passport.
One.
Like
yeah.
I'm gonna say we had to pay if we needed like very urgently. We needed to pay this amount of money, and that was like that. And yes, I know one website, so we ended up not doing it.
And your consulate, obi agency, how many embassy for the age? Almost shada. Among us, be a company, no. And I'm with passport and nobody for say consulate Ghana consulate be anywhere Worcester. Obo say we dey be okasa we be pa we obusun for we be Worcester nkurase for ho rough. And it's we say there are a lot of villages Kofi be one we illiterate. And I'm sorry to say this. And so that's why they are doing that there. And people like you, you guys are supposed to stand up to them. Now mama Mutia said they cannot use illiterates no from so somebody should raise this up. That particular office needs to be shut down because any reason to have that office there as a consulate. No, they are not supposed to be doing that.
Because initially, we spoke to someone and they said like, do we need a visa to go? And I say no, but it's like they're confused. Most of them don't know what they're doing over there. So we ended up.
I'll send an email to the Worcester police. That's it. Thank you very much. Hello, caller.
Hello, Katie.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. Okasa friend.
Mikasa free Toronto.
Na Toronto there. Also about America visa na.
Debbie, Katie. Me see me call Toronto consulate. Me call omu website no say me apply for Ghana visa. Katie, me see I dey na work anu pepe. Me yeah.
Me to me. Ya lokono.
Masa, me see I dey no enfa. I have to go through a travel agent or Toronto pay extra money and I process see money. And so na misa kami.
I'm sure that IT for na yes I don't know. They lock some part of the whole application no. Yeah.
Toronto aha so say omo year reset no wo Toronto aha so.
Put his eye on the Markham office. They are corrupt.
Can I speak to mommy? Can I speak to mommy? I see mommy is talking
back there. Mommy. Yes.
Hi, Katie.
Yes, ma'am.
You know what? There is an issue that I mean, I don't even know where to start. I don't want to get angry on the show.
Yeah.
So apart from the passport issue my husband is talking about, we also had a very bad experience regarding Ghana card. And the High Commission in Toronto is located in a place called Markham. That is where I work. I work with the government here myself. My husband went there. He had a very bad experience. I mean, if I should tell you this story, the guy is going to even know very well who this story is coming from because we had to go through somebody who had recently retired from the commission. That is so bad. I mean, when my husband went there, they didn't even know he was a Ghanaian. And this is how Ghanaians are not smart. You see somebody who wants to do a Ghana card and you assume that he doesn't speak Twi. Of course, my husband is not Twi. He's an Ewe man. I speaking with you today. I am. That's my husband. I am married to him. I am a Northerner. This lady you are doing her story right now, Hajia, I speak the same language with her. You understand? My husband went there and then they asked my husband about this. And then the guy said, "Now, we chrome tan cry." Like he was so frustrated, and he left my husband. And my husband is such a cool guy. If I were my husband, after doing everything, I would have told him that, look, I'm going to put you in trouble, because he did a lot of things there that I was telling my husband that if I were my husband, I would have recorded him. He was there. He was not concentrating on the job that he's supposed to be doing for Ghanaians. He was receiving calls from New York, and he was talking about dollars. Munko bank, munko check. He said dollars no authentic. I mean, are you serious? There is a Ghanaian standing in front of you. You look at his face, just because he's light skin, you think or you assume he cannot speak Tree. You assume he cannot speak Tree. You see how Ghanaians are not smart. Tree is not an. I mean, Tree is so simple. So look, you have to let somebody investigate the consulate in the High Commission. It's located in Markham.
Okay.
The Toronto consulate is located in Markham.
I'll come there myself. I was there last week. I was in Montreal. I have Toronto to come, and I'm going to come to that embassy. I'm going to come
in
there.
fact,
to that consulate.
I can give you more information. Give you the guy's names and give you the guy name. My husband had to complain to the lady he passed through, and the lady said, "You know what? I'm going to talk to him over the weekend as a younger brother to advise him." I mean, it's really bad.
Thank you very much.
Really,
Mom.
really
I appreciate
bad.
this call. All right, thank you. Okay, hello caller. Hello. Afi mwanga sama tumasum. Radio any TV station be any Ghana be show we mamu. Debi amekacha mudi di matam sa so me na meka mo asema mamo. Hello caller. Hello. Hello. Hello, boy, kasa mitio.
Yeah, hello, Karen.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm calling from California.
Cali.
Yeah. The only Yambra from only Washington DC or California ha who again you know their passport. This will call Washington DC. 7 hours flight.
Yeah.
Okay, young friend on tour. Who drew her? What fellow from now online? What happened? Who did drew her? Omeka can be a person say from page say no one feeling here. No, be a fake. Oh, yes, from one feeling here, you know, I bet 24 from about 20 B and I say 50 B. No, I did. Mr. Foreign Minister, US who post office be out to me a passport. See, almost baby as to be a kiosk be muke kono show US post office and no me passport. See, on your collaborating. Who pay on post office be post office I work for US doors. Who will more with my passport and we pay. Number first flight to California about this about passport do also. Okay, who time in 1 minute on my town. Who ring that?
May I say thank you very much. We will look into this. Hello, caller.
Hello, KJ.
Yeah. Okay, suffering.
Yeah. KT, me we there we are America, but me kasa free Germany.
Okay.
Yeah. Germany ha. Omabwe consulate bi ewo Hamburg. Na katasye ni poya ewo ho no serious. Yeah. Berlin ho no uko Berlin ho na de omuka wo US no happy wo Berlin susu. Yeah, happy wo Berlin. Who be free who present you passport who be free but catch you say ya the passport no ko Ghana ya ko ya free Ghana aba. Nkofo wo Germany ha omu passport aka Berlin for more than 1 year. Security ewo Berlin foreigners inside the Embas in Nketia, there are foreigners working there. Cameroon lady B also now of
Kasabai hat.
With me say who tears here but you were omuwo diplomat bi wo ho oya ade pa oya ya friend Mr. Baby me finish Mr. Saki oya ade
obonu umodi.
All right, man, I say
thank
you.
But we want to say omumbeye audit, omufa auditors in free Ghana. Na omumbeye audit wo.
All right, man, I say omumbeye audit to Berlin. All right. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Okay, suffering.
I said.
Bibi awo kom fancy. Na ejina he.
Yeah.
Never from free.
I say, if you want to any dancer, Ransford came watching. I say, pardon. Other should do be the man. The way I
feeling when.
Pardon, can call. Tell it in my son, Kuram, put up catch your
catch me too.
What Ghana for now, for no walker, brofu, nay, console, no. I will press through our Kevin.
Why are
well, console, you call console. Catch a one. On your phone, what do one console one out? I want to show you. Why
you one?
Yeah, Radney. A clan.
No,
I said, what you US America. What I just said, I'm gonna have for my solution.
Oh, Kofi.
What that summer as I will show you, I show
big ups to you, my friend. Big ups to you too. Big
every time. I'll be some bridge, make a sense.
Monica, thank you. Big up, man.
Every time. Bless up,
man. You go for I go Jamaica hobby. Blessed, my blessed. Hey, can we tell my bro? Hello, caller. Watch it. It's very important. We will meet on Monday. We will discuss Ghana. We are not going anywhere. We'll make sure the right thing is there, it's done, and the right things the right things are also said. So, like you know, we are all messengers who are ready and willing to speak truth to power. My name is Kevin Taylor. Be good. God bless you. God bless me. Cheers, Abwache. This is Nasei.
Take glory, Father.